2 years ago, I made a video showing people how to buy 10 property in 5 years using the burst strategy. Now that strategy still works today. However, now I want to show you the new version on how to buy 10 property with fewer property using the ADU strategy. By the end of this video, you're going to actually know the whole strategy, how to buy 10 property and use the ADU strategy in lightning speed. When you start investing in real estate, here's the most important question you need to start with. This is what I learned from my mentor, Saul. You want to ask yourself this question: how much passive income do you need every single month to live comfortably if you're debt-free? That's the word, debt-free. No house payment, no car payments, other than your monthly, electrical bill, food bill. The average American, just so you know, if they had 20 grand a month in passive income and they're debt-free, they'd be so excited, it's ridiculous. Did you know only less than 7% of American own rental property? That's to show you, folks. 20,000, right? So you got to start again. First step is you got to have an end game. You got to work backwards, okay? And the key word is debt-free. Now, once you're clear on that, how much you want to have every single month coming in comfortably, then you got to ask yourself this question, right? How much is that figure? And let's use debt-free, 20 grand a month. If you had 20 grand a month, man, who couldn't live good? I'm not talking about people driving Ferraris and Lamborghini. The average American, debt-free. Now, once you have that number, the second thing you got to ask yourself is this: what's the average rent in your area? They said the average rent in your area is $2,000. Okay? You divide this, then you're going to need 10 home bought and then pay off. Once you have 10 property bought and paid off, you're going to get $20,000 a month every single month for the rest of your life and continue to keep raising the rent. And the key is debt-free. If you're debt-free, you're going to have 20 grand a month and then it keep going. Folks, you all be living good. I'm going to show you today how to do this. Now you know you need 10 rental property at an average rent $2,000. There's two phases that I learned from my mentor Saul when you want to buy rental. Phase one is we call accumulation. You want to accumulate the number of doors. So you want to start with that. So the key is we want to accumulate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then once you accumulate the property, you don't have to pay them off at the beginning. You just want to actually accumulate the doors. And then once you accumulate it, then phase two, we're going to talk about, which is going to be payoff. And we're going to talk about that next. But now let's focus on accumulation. And I want to spend some time talking about how to accumulate 10 doors in 5 years using the ADU strategy and do it in lightning speed. And you don't have to buy 10 property. You're going to see you can buy fewer property to get the 10 door faster using the ADU strategy. So what changed in the past and now? Let me explain. You see, basically when I started, you guys, when I bought my first property, I had to save enough money to buy the first property. Then I had to save enough money and I had to buy the second property. This is how I accumulate basically 10 doors, okay? You have to save some money, buy another property. Save some money, buy another property. 2 years ago when I made the video, I said to people, if you make some money, you can save enough down payment, right? You can buy 2 property every year. So if you did that, basically for 5 years, you will have 10 rentals, okay? 10 homes. But you gotta save enough down payment to basically buy 2 houses per year. That's the past. But with the new ADU strategy, you don't have to do that. Let me show you. You buy a property, all right? Say property number 1. Let's say you use $500,000 for the house. You put down 20%, you buy a property. Boom. But the key is you want to buy a property where you have a backyard that's at least 5,000 square feet lot size and bigger. That way you have a backyard. Once you buy this property, in that same year, with that lot, you can go get plans and permits. To get plans and permit for an ADU, 1,000, 1,200 square feet, it's going to cost you $25,000 to about $30,000. And then what happened is that you will go to a bank and Springboard funding. We can fund these ADU. If there's enough equity in it, we will fund 100% of the construction money for you once you have the plans and the permit. In the same year, you will build out the ADU, 100% financing. You don't have to go buy another property like I did in the past. Since the yard in the back is already free, all you got to do is get planned the permit and then get 100% construction, and you can build the ADU, and it takes about 7 months to build out the ADU. So you can actually buy a property, add the ADU, all within 1 year. You do that process right here once a year. In 5 years, you have 10 rental property, but you only have to put down 20% on the main house. The second house, other than 25 to 30,000, you get 100% financing. You don't have to come out of cash to buy another property, and right, you don't actually have to buy a whole nother house. I'm gonna break down a number on what it costs to build an ADU. You're gonna see it's cheaper to build the ADU than it is to go buy a whole brand new home. Okay, so again, underneath accumulation, right? We have house, and in the back, you got ADU. That's year 1. And then you do year 2. You do the same thing, ADU. And then year 3, etc., etc. You do that every year. You buy only one, you accumulate one property, you add an ADU in the back. We're only paying the permit, 100% financing. Down payment for house 1, house 2, ADU in the back. So all you got to do every year is to buy a house with a big yard and then build the ADU in the back. Now, in 5 years, you have 10 home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This didn't exist when I did it. Before, I had to do it buy 10 property, down payment for 10 property. Now, this new strategy is you buy one, you build the ADU. You buy another one, you put the ADU. This is the biggest hack of all time. Where do you ever get free land? I've been in business for 30 plus years. I've never seen free land. And then on top of that, you can do all this in 1 year. I mean, Jesus, this is amazing. So you can see now how you can actually have 10 property 5 years and do it with buying less property, because you're only buying 5, and you're adding this, and you're doing it with only down payment on the main house. You don't need but plan the proof for the back, so you get 100% financing. This is a game changer. Now, you have all 10 property accumulated. You can pause on the accumulation. You can always go back later and buy more later. But for now, let's get out of the rat race. Let's get that 20 grand first, and after 20 grand, if you want to buy more and accumulate like me, you can do it. But at least these properties are all paid off now. So now you go to phase 2, payoff. So let's just say, okay, house 1, house 2, ADU. 3, house, ADU. House, ADU. And then so on and so on and so on. Okay, make sense? So what you want to do now, you want to start paying down the property with the lowest mortgage, the one with the lowest mortgage. Now, typically, it's the first set that you do. Now, the house is probably going to have a higher mortgage than the ADU because all you have is construction loan. So what I would do is I would take the lowest mortgage, which is probably this, okay? I will start making double payments. I don't know if you know this. Let's say your monthly payment is $2,000. Did you know that? Let's say every month you make a monthly payment, $2,000 principal and interest, $2,000, $2,000, $2,000, $2,000. At the end of the year, on month 12, you still make your $2,000 toward principal and interest, but take an extra $2,000 and actually on the 12th month at the end, make one extra payment of $2,000 toward principal only. Okay, so you're gonna make one payment, principal and interest, which is the last payment in December, and in December you make an extra payment of $2,000 toward principal only. If you do that, you will shave off 7 years of your 30-year mortgage. So what I would do is I would double up on this. I would go make my money. I wouldn't buy any more property. So I take the money I'm making, the down payment, I would buy my next property. I wouldn't do that. I use that money and I start paying down, and I took any extra cash flow of these property, I would just dump multiple payments. You can do 1 payment a year, 2 payment a year, 3 payment a year. When you do this, you have this thing paid off fast. Once this is done, then you can actually go after each one of these ADU if the one that has the lowest mortgage, pay those off. If you do this right here, folks, you'll be able to pay these property off in lightning speed. Find the lowest mortgage, dump a bunch of money towards it. I would typically try to do probably, instead of 1 a year, probably, 4 or 5 a year, okay? Because I got extra money from cash flow, some of these, and money I'll be making, I just dump it towards the lowest. As soon as I get that all paid off, I want to have full cash flow, $2,000. I take that money and more money that I have coming in and any extra small cash flow, I do it on the second property. And I pay that off. And now 2 is not paid off. And then so on and so on. That's called the snowball effect. By doing this, you're going to have all this paid off in lightning speed. By the time you're done, you're going to have all property paid off, and then you have $20K a month for life. Now, once you get there, you want to reset. If you want to buy more, you can buy more from there. You can start the accumulation all over again. All right, I'm going to give you a bonus. I'm going to give you a real example of a deal. I'm going to break down the numbers so you can see how this works, okay? Bonus. Okay, recently got a property for a fixer for $630,000. Purchase price. This one cost 70 grand to rehab. So that means my all-in number is $700,000. That was the front house, okay? The bank came out, they appraised this for $800,000 ARV. So now, that front house, as that's getting rehab, in the back, we go get plans and permits. Like I said, cost $25K to $30,000. By the time this is done rehabbing, typically it takes about 5 months, 6 months to get plans and permits. Once this is done, turn that into a rental, okay? The back, basically 1,000 square feet to 1,200 square feet. ADU, all in, soft costs, construction costs, carry costs, builder fee, tax and everything. It's about $470,000. These are they appraised for $825,000 as an ARV. Buy the front house, put down 20% of this $700,000. So 20% of this, $140,000. Boom. You need this $25,000 to $30,000. Then you go get plans and permit. You can do this whole process in 1 year. With so much equity in both of these deals, when you refinance these properties to permanent financing, you can pull some of cash out and pay you back a lot of this soft cost money you put out, the $140 down payment and some of this. You can, when you refinance, put these in permanent financing, you can balance it out, where you can post the money out, so that way still actually will, cover the mortgage for all of these, okay? You just gotta figure out the number for you. So if you get back half of this money you put out, then basically you take this whole process, you repeat it again, year 2. And this is how we do it. Buy a house in the front, build the ADU back 1 year, and you do it over and over for 5 years in a row. So again, all you buy is the main house. This, plans and permit, and then you get a construction loan for 100% financing. This is the game changer right here. This did not exist when I started real estate. This is what I'm doing right now. This is what I'm teaching my kids how to do. And this is what I'm teaching a lot of students across America how to do this right here. So if you've been seriously thinking about investing in real estate, you want to retire, own a rental property, you want to know how to buy property like this, right? The bird strategy, and then add the ADU. I teach so many people across America how to do this right now. It's the hottest thing. If you're interested in doing this, check out the link in the description. All right, this is a wrap. This is how you actually buy 10 property in 5 years using the ADU strategy and the bird strategy now combined. And you do this without actually having to buy 10 property. You don't have to buy 5 and add the ADU. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you have any question about this, leave it in the comment. Until then, you guys, remember, hit that subscribe button. We want to hit 1 million subscribers before the end of the year. Share it to your friend also for me, okay? Until then, we'll see y'all soon. Peace.